Okay, Fernando Ocampo-Aguilar. Okay, and then your appearance for this record?
Mark Hunting, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Okay, now are you Mr. Ocampo-Aguilar?
Yes.
Okay, you're here, sir, because the state of Michigan is alleging December 24th of 2023, in count one, that you committed a murder in the second degree. If you're convicted of that, it's a felony punishable by life for up to any number of years. In count two, they're saying that you were operating while intoxicated, causing death. That's also a felony punishable by up to 15 years incarceration and or up to $2,500 to $10,000 in fines plus court costs. In count three, they're saying you're operating while your license was suspended, causing death. That's a 15-year felony and or up to $2,500 to $10,000 in fines plus court costs. And then in count four, they're saying that you were operating while intoxicated. It was your third offense. That's a felony punishable by $500 to $5,000 in fines plus court costs and or up to 1 to 5 years incarceration or probation with 30 days to 1 year in jail. At least 48 hours have to be served consecutively. Do you understand the charges and the maximum penalties?
Yes.
Okay, and because it's a felony, we automatically enter a not guilty plea for you. You're gonna have a probable cause conference November 12th at 1. If that isn't resolved, you'll come back November 19th at 1. You have the right to remain silent, to be presumed innocent, and to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand all of that?
Yes.
Okay, any other issues, Mr. Hunting?
Your Honor, I did speak with Mr. Kittman. In the event that this does result in a preliminary examination, we're likely going to need a special day as opposed to the sort of standard preliminary examination day, because I suspect it would take longer than what the court would otherwise have as far as time goes. I think it's also incumbent on me as an officer of the court to indicate that I spoke with the prosecuting attorney that's assigned this case, Mr. Boivin, and he has indicated that he would like, as part of my client's bond conditions, that an alcohol monitoring scram device be imposed by the court. I'd like to be heard on that issue. I know he sent an email to court staff indicating that because he couldn't be here today, and I didn't want to appear as if I was somehow trying to avoid it. But my position on it is as follows, Your Honor. As you mentioned, this stems from an accident that is nearly now 2 years old. Big investigation ensued. It's taken a lot of time. Over the course of that time, if my client was going to have some sort of issue, it would have manifested itself by now. He's had no issue as it pertains to either criminal offenses or alcohol, drug use, anything along those lines. So I would respectfully ask that the scram device is not needed at this time. If this accident happened a couple of weeks ago, I think there's much more justification for that. He will be reporting to court services, as is going to be required anyways, but I just don't see the need 2 years down the line for an alcohol monitoring device because he has not consumed alcohol and is not consuming alcohol. So that's my position on it.
Okay, and it is a condition of your bond that you not use or possess any alcohol, unprescribed controlled substances, marijuana, that you not be in any bars or places that serve alcohol. You submit to random testing by reporting court services as often as they direct. And I think their testing would be overlapping with what Scram Tire would do anyway. So we'll just let court services take care of the testing and monitoring. Do you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, you're all set then.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thanks. Oh, yeah, don't forget your paperwork.
Yep, we're going to get that, Your Honor. Thank you.